Here is how you can find a whispering AI voice in ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is known for its high-quality AI voices, offering a wide range of styles, including natural-sounding whispers. You can try it for free using the link in the description. First, go to the ElevenLabs website and sign in. Once you are logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech generator. On the left side, you will see the voice library, where you can browse through a variety of AI voices, including user-generated ones. To find a whispering voice, simply type "Whisper" into the search bar. You will see multiple results. Click the play icon next to each voice to preview them.
My only wish is for you to feel comfort.
This soft, lovely voice is perfect for animation, meditation,
With each.
Welcome to my soft-spoken voice. I created it for affirmations.
Once you find one that fits your needs, select it and go to the text box. Type in your script, then click Generate Speech. That is all you need to do. You can test it out for free using the link in the description.